About an inch or so has fallen across the area so far today, with more to come. We have all of this rain working its way northward. Rain coming through. Temperatures were cold enough this morning that we actually saw about a half an hour of some sleet.
What's up, everyone? So as you just heard, it's raining again today. Yesterday I made an Insta post about the rain because I was inside most of the day, not being able to get out and film. So I was trying to come up with something I could do today. I'm going to take you guys on a tour of my apartment because if you haven't already seen, I am in the process of moving right now. I've been in this apartment for about 3 years. It was the first place that I got with the first job that I got out of college. So it has been a pretty nice area, but I'll just take you guys on a quick tour of it. Currently at the moment, this is my office. This is my desk right now, a couch pillow and a back there, and my computer. So I can still make videos and edit them, and I still have my TV not on the stand right now. It is pretty much empty inside. I have just a normal kitchen here, of course, and this was my bedroom. I'm not gonna be here that often. I'm going back and forth right now. By the time this video goes up, I will be settled in my new place, so I will no longer be here. Looking at my whiteboard of ideas now, there's nothing on here that I can film today because the weather is pretty crappy outside. But I do have an idea. If you guys remember too, a lot of videos were filmed over in my garage there. I currently don't have it anymore because my RA and motorcycle are at the new place. Just a quick update for you guys before I fill the truck up. I have about 56 miles left on this tank. I'm also at 13,684 miles. I've gone about 285 miles on this tank, and I've been averaging about 17.1 mpg. Alright guys, so I decided to come back to the road closed sign. If you guys remember, the train tracks behind me way up there as well. This is where that creek crossing is. It is way down in that area there. I think I'm gonna head down this trail here because I haven't gone this way yet. But now that I can air down, I'm gonna go ahead and let out some of the PSI in the tires just in case, as it is raining today, it's gonna be pretty slick. Alright guys, so I have aired down to about 20 PSI. And the first test that we did, I was about 25. You guys didn't seem to like that. I really wasn't doing anything crazy. I'm at 20 today, and it looks like we're on kind of a beat up road right now where the road used to be. Getting into the dirt now. So I have my other camera on the GoPro mount on the top side of the windshield there. So that way you guys can see where I'm going. I wanted to put it on the outside, but like I said, I don't have my other suction cup to do that at the moment. As we're going down a kind of tight area right here, I see a building up ahead. Like I said, I've never gone down this way before, so I'm not sure what to expect. I think I'm gonna put the camera on the outside now so that way you guys can see the flex in the tire. And actually, so I can see it too. So I need to set that up real quick. So I hope this is a good angle for you guys from the outside here, seeing some of the flex in the tire at 20 PSI. Obviously, I can't see it right now. It would be nice if I had a forward-facing camera so that way I could see what I'm going over. I might have to do that here soon. This is pretty cool. We're coming up to some train tracks here. Oh gosh. Sorry guys. As I remount this, geez, I have no idea why the suction wasn't good there, but on we go down this trail, and got a pretty big mud hole on the left side of me. Actually, a couple big mud holes. This might be a cooler view from the outside. I might have to get the camera outside there again. All right, guys, so I'm gonna see how deep this mud hole is. Oh wow. It's actually pretty solid on the bottom there to go through here. Alright guys, I think we're going through the mud hole. So I'm gonna set you guys up on the far side there. I definitely wore the wrong shoes for today. If you guys saw, my feet are so cold right now. It is currently 32 degrees. I'm just in two-wheel drive right now. I should be okay in two-wheel drive. There we go. Nothing crazy, obviously. As I take down a couple branches. right, guys, there's a vehicle over there. And I might have to get out of here. I think I need to get out of here, you guys.
2,000 years later.
All right, well, that actually turned out to be just a couple guys out just like me. I guess you could call them locals. They have a little bit more knowledge of the area around here. So I'm all good. Oh, as I come up to this pretty steep area, I'm gonna set up the camera outside for you guys again. They actually let me know if I were to get stuck to not leave my vehicle here because if I came back in the morning, it would either be gone or on fire. I'm gonna take them seriously on that. I'm not gonna get stuck out here because it's kind of out in the middle of nowhere. Doing stuff like this, you guys, I definitely need that forward-facing camera because right now I'm going in this blind here. It's not always the best. I'm gonna try to do some crazy things today, even though it's still raining and pouring outside. So I think if I just stay in this one rut on the left, I will be okay, which is kind of hard when it's this wet out. Even with 20 PSI, I'm still sliding a bit. That wasn't too bad. What else can I do back here? It's so muddy and slick. So this is the other truck out here. It's like a 2500 diesel. That thing is so much larger than the Tacoma, and he's out here. I don't think he's getting stuck. He just has two-wheel drive, I think. But it looks like there's a little bit of rock climbing up there that I could probably get up. Once I get up this little hill here, I will head up there and see if there's any other spots out here. It's kind of cool. It's much different than where the creek was. We got some other like rock climbing obstacles, sort of. But we'll head up this hill now. I'm curious to head up back to where he is because I do see a lot more rocks up there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it into 4 high since I was spinning a little bit. Well, I guess it's nice that there's someone else out here. If I were to get stuck, I have some backup, but we should be okay in the truck here. It is so slick. Not even a slip up or anything, even in just 4 high. So unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna go up this way. I really like the beginning section of it, but then up here, it's just got probably a 2-foot ditch on one side. And the way that I'm sliding out here today, I don't wanna go into the side of that. If it was much drier, I would definitely be down for trying that. We got this huge rock here that I can kind of get up on top and kind of just come up this way right here. So I'm still just in 4 high. I think that's probably okay for today. Oh gosh. That might be a cool thumbnail picture right here. One thing I want to look at while I have the wheels cranked here almost all the way, there is my clearance between the cab mount and the tire. So even aired out, I have 0 rubbing issues, and on the upper control arm there, I have plenty of space. So even airing out, you guys, these 33s are doing so well. And up front on the driver's side here, again, not even close. It's not even an issue with these tires, which is awesome. But yeah, what do you guys think so far? The truck is doing great. I'm only in 4 high. I haven't had to use the locker or anything like that at the moment. I think it is because of airing down. You can probably, hopefully you can see there's a bulge in the tire. I don't think the camera's picking that up as well as I can see it in person. But even with airing down, you can see all the mud caked up in the tires. That's how muddy it is today. Since you guys didn't think the first test that I did was an actual off-road, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video being able to air down and air back up. I think that is the coolest mod that I could have for my truck. One thing that I noticed too, as I did a walk around for you guys earlier, you saw that there was so much mud caked up in all the tires. I've not even really left the area yet. I've just come down this kind of gravel road that you saw in the beginning of the video, and there's no mud caked in the tires. If I was fully aired out right now, or aired, you know, to normal street use, there would be mud caked everywhere in these tires. So that is pretty awesome to see how airing down can channel out all that mud. And now I won't have a lot of mud kicked up on my drive home, but that doesn't really matter as much as being able to have better traction in slippery conditions like today. I'm gonna be using that a lot because I did notice a huge difference, and it's so easy to do. It took me less than 10 minutes to air back up. So that's definitely an awesome mod to have. Every off-roader should have that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. I'm gonna head back in the truck. It's about 32 degrees out and raining, so I'm gonna get warmed up in the truck, and I'll see you guys next video.